So we've recently received the Zenfone Max Pro 1. This is Asus's latest attempt at cracking the mid-range market, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing to take a look at this phone. So let's just take it out. So we have the real photo moment, and here's a quick look at the phone itself. Let's just pop it out. Let's take a little bit out the moments here. Okay, so let's just power it on for the first time and take a look at what it is. Let's just take a quick look around. So this phone is a 6-inch LCD screen. Pretty much side-to-side bezel-less. It pretty much follows everything that you expected for a phone in 2018. It's using a micro USB charging port. Still retains a headphone jack over here. On the back, you'll get the fingerprint reader and the dual cameras over here. Power button, volume on the right side, and over here is where you're going to pop in the SIM tray. Pretty much very standard. Let's just take a quick open of it. Yeah, very nice, beautiful 6-inch display. Fit into a body typically made for a 5.5-inch device. Interesting to note, this is actually running on stock Android. It's not running on a Zen UI. So if you're a stock Android fan, you'll be quite pleased with this. Everything, all the Google services are here. There's no other bloatware at all included inside it. So I think most users will be pretty happy with this. So the interesting thing about this is that it's actually a phone with a 5000 milliamp battery, and it's on the slimmest. I mean, just check it out. I mean, this is 5000 milliamp battery in a phone of this size. It's quite impressive, I would say. Needless to say, we definitely need to try this out to see how good is the stamina of the phone, but I'm pretty excited to check it out. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's see. Okay. Well, aside from that, you get your standard charging cables, the chargers and stuff. Fairly simple earpiece. I don't think there's anything to shout about. And of course, they provide you with the micro USB cables. So there you have it. This is a quick unboxing of the Zenfone Max Pro. So pretty much everything is laid out over here. You've got the phone, earpiece, charging cable, with a simple charger, and the rest of the kit over here would probably include a case actually. So good thing if you're looking for a case, there's a case that comes out of the box as well. So you're pretty much covered. So yes, that's a quick look of the Zenfone Max Pro. Do look forward for a full review of the Zenfone Max Pro very soon.